Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y61 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose Accessibility Features. Then click on One-Handed Mode and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Following that, just follow all of those instructions presented on your screen. As you can see, I have tricky navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the bottom of the screen. If you want to use your phone with right hand, swipe to the right. Then go back by clicking on this blank area. If you wish to use it with your left one, do the same. To the left. Go back the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!